Hi everyone, my name is Chris Behrens and welcome to my course, Configuring and Deploying SSIS Packages. Once you've got some work with SSIS under your belt and your data is moving back and forth between your sources and your production databases, you naturally turn your attention to automating this process. This leads to big questions of driving how your packages are configured and deployed. And what exactly do we mean when we say deployment in a package context? Some of the major topics that we will cover include the different ways to configure SSIS packages, the right and the wrong ways to deploy and execute SSIS packages, automating all of this with a build, verifying changes to a package, and how to do all of this securely. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of how to configure and execute your SSIS packages automatically and effectively. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with integration services, have a decent grasp of what a software build does, and understand what Docker is. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to make your packages work with different configurations and different environments in the Configuring and Deploying SSIS Packages course at Pluralsight.